I believe we will be best friends forever, achieve great things together.
She's making new friends and ignoring me because I haven't reached her level of success. It hurts.
If this is you, can you think about why this happened to you? It's because your friend was a bad person? No. You put too much trust in the other person, not yourself. You were not loving yourself. It's the truth. Now you are sitting down, reminiscing about the wonderful memories with your so-called best friend and crying in your inner self. You can't forget those memories. Whenever you are alone, they pop up. Am I right? It's okay to feel this way. It's happening to everyone. You are not the only one here going through this. Don't forget one thing: bad times make a great future. Right now, the best revenge for yourself is improving yourself towards success. When people are mean to you, cry, let it out, but don't stop there. Move forward, let your hurt inspire you to feel and be better because you deserve better. Make this time about getting yourself better opportunities. Work hard so that your friend might regret not having you as a best friend. Work hard in silence, improve yourself little by little every day. I know it's not easy, but it's not impossible either. If you are a student right now, study hard to make your future better and successful. Don't let unwanted memories stop you. Just remember one thing: one day you will see only guilt and regret in their eyes. So now start fresh. Think about only yourself for a while. There's nothing wrong with being alone for a while, nothing wrong with disappearing for a while. Later on, you will find friends more worthy of your trust and attention. You are stronger than you think. You can achieve anything for yourself. You just have to put in hard work for yourself, because this hard work will determine whether you are going to be a winner or loser in front of your friend. Use the pain as fuel to drive you toward success. Let it be your motivation. Focus on your goals, redirecting the energy that would otherwise be consumed by resentment. Transform yourself into an unbreakable, unbeatable soul. If you can become successful, you can make your parents proud. Those memories will eventually replace your sad memories. Don't cheat on yourself with your past. Just remember one thing: you are not the same person you were in your past. You are totally changed, and that matters a lot. You are the best. You are going to be fine. No matter what, keep going on. One day you will be able to look back and smile at your friend and tell them that the pain they gave you made you a stronger person. Every day is a new opportunity for you. Prove everyone wrong. You are a worthy person. No one believes you until you do it. Believe in yourself. You can reach success in your journey. Have you experienced something like this too? Let me know in the comment section.